What's up, guys? It's your boy Young Beast. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off a starter. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to have the tools that you're going to need. So your socket wrench, your socket. So socket, you're going to probably need probably like either 10 or 8 or 9. So 10 or 9, depending on what kind of vehicle you have. Get your socket wrench, your socket, jack your vehicle up. Before you do anything with the starter, make sure you disconnect the cable, the negative cable connector, okay? So make sure you disconnect it, okay? So disconnect it. Go ahead and disconnect it here, okay? Make sure you disconnect it, make sure it's off. Because if you have it on there, it could spark whatever, so you don't want to do that. So take it off. Right, go ahead and take the car off. Take it off. And then we do that, and now we're good to go. Now we're having the power on the vehicle and all. That's good, okay? So once you do that, I get under the car. Okay, you guys, I'm going to need a socket that's 10. So make sure you have a 10. And then have your socket wrench. So once you get this right here, have this. You can buy this at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever. Things are probably like $5 or something. It's really cheap. So get that here. That's a adapter. That's pretty cheap or whatever. Let's put it on here. Now, guys, see, this is where it's pretty short. So my socket is my screw thing is pretty long. So this is going to be kind of short. So if you got a 10 and it's too small, then you can go to AutoZone and get a bigger size. So I have a bigger size, guys, right here. Okay, I'm showing you guys the bigger size right here. So the bigger size right here. The bigger size right here. The bigger size is longer. And now I can get the socket off with this right here.